Hello everyone, Jai Swaminarayan. I hope you all are fine today. Students, today we are going to continue the explanation of our chapter, that is Children at Work. Okay, so we will start from the third part of our chapter. As we know that Velu, who had run away from his home and met a girl who was a rag picker, and her name was Jaya. And that Velu, what he was doing, he was just following Jaya where she was going. Why he was doing that, he was following Jaya, because he thought that he is new to this city and he don't know where to go, and if he stop following Jaya, then he will be lost in this new place, and so he decide to just walk behind Jaya. As she told him not to come if he wants to come with her, so he just followed her. After a long walk, they walked for half an hour. When they reached near a bridge, which was under that bridge now a dirty water was flowing, and that Velu asked her, "What is this?" So she says to him that we are in Triplican city, and this is a Buckingham Canal. It is a name of a place in England, and she says to him that just it is a Buckingham Canal, मीन्स बकिंगम इज़ अ प्लेस इन इंग्लैंड, एंड कैनल जहाँ से पानी बहता है ना, तो वो कहती है ये बकिंगम कैनल है, बट इन रियली इट वॉज अ बिग गटर थ्रू विच द डर्टी वाटर वॉज flowing. And Velu stared at that and says, "This was a canal. It is just a puddle of water which is very dirty." And he sees some house in the next to that puddles in a row, and they were very strange kind of huts he found. जब वो वहाँ पे पहुँचता है ना, तो वहाँ पे उसे बहुत अजीब तरीके के मीन्स झोपड़े जैसे घर दिखाई देते हैं. सो दे वर बिल्ड आउट ऑफ ऑल सॉर्ट्स ऑफ थिंग्स लाइक मेटल शीट्स, टायर्स, bricks, woods and plastics, and all kind of things were used to make that huts, and they were all crooked means टेढ़े टेढ़े थे, जैसे वो किसी भी पल गिर जाएंगे. सो ही थॉट आस्क्ड टू द जया वेदर यू लिव इन सच काइंड ऑफ हाउस. हम लोगों ने कई बार देखे भी होंगे ना, रोड के किनारे पे जब झोपड़े होते हैं वो किसी भी जैसे मेटल से जो चीज़ उन लोगों को मिलती है उससे वो अपने झोपड़े बना लेते हैं. तो इसी तरह के वहाँ पे बहुत सारे घर थे. सो ही फील्स वेरी स्ट्रेंज एंड ही सेज इन आवर विलेज दैट द हाउसेस आर मेड ऑफ मड एंड पाम लीव्स. वो कहते हैं हमारे गांव में तो घर मिट्टी से और पाम लीव से, जो नारियल के पत्ते होते हैं उससे बनाए होते हैं. ये तो बहुत अजीब तरीके के घर है. तो जया सिर्फ उसकी तरफ देखती है और आगे बढ़ जाती है. देन शी डंप हर सैक इन फ्रंट ऑफ वन ऑफ द हाउस and pick the another empty sack and just tells him to let's go. So as she turned to him now, he gives him one that sew and tell him that now as you are following me now, do one thing now, you help me to pick the things. And what the she do, as it was very hot in that morning na, she gives him two pair of old shoes which were without lace, and she tell him to wear that. Velu get confused that why she is taking the stick and sack and where she is going again now. So she says to him that we are going for the work, and we will pick up the bottles and all this thing, and we will keep in this sack. So he asked to him that where are the farms and where are the things where we are going to work. So she says to him that farm in the city. She starts laughing and she says that no, we are not going in the farm, there are no farmer here in the city, we are the rack pickers, and we collect the things which are thrown by the other peoples, the rubbish bins which is thrown in the garbage. Now we collect all such kind of things and we sell them. So he found that why, what is the meaning of rag picker, because this was a new word which he has heard. And he also asked him that why we are collecting all such kind of rubbish things, what we are going to do with this all rubbish thing. क्योंकि उसके लिए ये तो नया था, उसके गांव में तो सब खेती में काम करके मजदूरी करके पैसे जमा करते थे, वहाँ पे कोई इस तरह की प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स या कचरा नहीं उठाता था. सो इट वॉज वेरी स्ट्रेंज फॉर हिम. सो ही आस्क्ड व्हाट आर यू गोइंग टू डू विथ ऑल दिस रबिश थिंग. सो शी सेज यू ब्लॉक हेड, इट इज़ नॉट एनी रबिश. वो कहती है अरे बेवकूफ़, ये कुछ रबिश नहीं है. ओनली द पेपर, प्लास्टिक, ग्लास, सच काइंड ऑफ थिंग विच आई हैव collected na, I will sell it to the Jam Bazar Jaggu. So Velu get puzzled, what, why she is going to sell this thing to the Jam Bazar Jaggu, and what he is going to do with all kind of rubbish. Why should anyone want to buy such kind of rubbish things? So she says to him that he is a person, Jam Bazar Jaggu is a person who buy all kind of such things. And you know, when I will give these things to him, he will give me the money. So he says what he is going to do with these rubbish things. So she says to him that he will sell these plastic bags and papers and glass things into the factory. So what they are going to do there, he asks again. So she says they are going to, they, it is not waste thing, they are going to recycle all this thing and they will make the things new. And in this way he comes to understand that what these rag pickers were doing and what is the thing they are going to do with this all things. Okay, so we have completed the explanation here. After this we are going to do the reading. If you find any difficulty in understanding the chapter now, you can call me and ask me. Okay.